Today we're going to learn how to make any digital photo look like film in Lightroom. Alright, start by balancing the exposure in the Basic Corrections tab. Next, lower the clarity slightly and bring down the vibrance and saturation just a bit. Now add 3 points on the luminance curve to start with a simple S-curve. Fade both the highlights and the shadows. Maybe I'll add another point here and a little more contrast in the shadows. Switch over to the blue curve and very slightly add some yellow to the shadows and blue into the highlights. It's really important to be subtle here. Also, the RGB curves are a great place to experiment with color combinations, but let's stick with this one for now. In the hue section, make the yellow more orange, the green more yellow, the aqua more green, and the blue more teal. Bring the yellow, green, and aqua saturation down slightly. And now do the same with the luminance of the yellow and the green. Just keep in mind these settings might vary depending on what's in the photograph. Now in the color grading tab, I'm adding a bit of red to the shadows and some more blue into the highlights. This is another great area to experiment to get some different film looks, but again, subtlety is very important. Now just to balance the tones a bit, and I think I'm going to brighten the highlights slightly. I'm just noticing I need to adjust the saturation a little bit. And now to add some film grain. I think 30 works well here, and I'll bring up the size to around 50. This will soften the photo quite a bit, but I think that's how many film photos actually look when viewed up close, depending on the type of film, the type of camera, and which lens is being used. Again, all these settings can be experimented with to make your own unique film looks. Thanks for watching.